What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Haven't been to, I don't think I've been here in a while. Haven't been to Westfield, Culver City in a while. Yeah, let's go look around. I don't think I've been here in a while. I don't know. Let's find out. I can't remember, man. They all blend together now. All right, let's start with this bar right here. Dang, midweek. Got a few dunks over here.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something.
The hell are these? Some Pumas, some super generic Pumas. Mirage Tech, never even seen these before. They're already on sale apparently. Someone's been in the comments saying, hey, don't show Blazers or SB Blazers. Like, tired of seeing Blazers. I don't know. Do everybody hate Blazers? Is that just me who likes the Blazers? I don't know. All right. Remember these being hard to find, the Adidas foams, and now, damn, now they're on sale. Like, I've been saying everything's gonna go on sale, but it is surprising to see. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all seen these at the outlets, Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. But yeah, they're on sale here too. I always forget they're normally $160 because I always see them on sale at the Nike outlets. Air Max 97's on sale. 95's also on sale. Yeah, music's loud as hell. More 97s. I think last year was like the year of the 97s. They just released so freaking many. Now they're all on sale. Jordan 1 Low. Pine greens, or is this a different type of green? I don't think I've seen these. I didn't even know these came out. All right, $110 for those. Another pair of low. Quite a few lows. Got 6s, 7s, playoff 13s. Got the Lucas right here. I still don't have a pair of Lucas. I don't know if you guys have tried them. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section of the Lucas. I still haven't tried one on. I did want to get one of his pairs, especially the first colorway, but haven't done so yet. Airmore Up Tempo's on sale, and got the Flight 95s, Zoom Flight 95s. All right, that's about it. All right, let's go check out the next spot. Let's go. All right, that escalator is down. That resale shop's even closed. That's interesting. All right, I did walk around. All right, let's check out the Champ, see what's up here. Damn, they still got the Shaqs here. This is the original colorway. I think this is my favorite colorway because this is what I remember Shaq wearing at Orlando. This is like the OG colorway. Man, I can't believe they still got those here. They still got the Kobe ones too. And it is 160. Remember, we've seen this at 160 at some spots, 140 at some other spots. That's been hella interesting. Then they got answers, questions. I like this one right here, the Denver Nuggets colorway right here, going for 160. Then this one we've seen on sale a few occasions at a few spots. Then got some Omni pumps. Is this the one that I got for hella cheap? I don't remember. I think this is the one I got for hella cheap for like $50, which is fire. Then do got a bunch of 574s on sale. These are the ruggeds. They got like a thicker outsole right there, and then we got the regular ones right here with the thinner outsole. But yeah, they are all on sale. That's pretty fire. Pretty fire. I'm a fan of these. This colorway up top as well. I'm not feeling any of these colorways. I'm feeling the prices, but I'm not digging any of these colorways, to be really honest. Dude, got some Vans on sale. What are these, old schools? Or the Skate Lows, my bad. Skate Lows, got these bad boys right here. Got some highs right there. And then got, what the hell are these? Vans slip-ons for $20. Then got another one right here. Okay. See, I kind of prefer this 574 right here. I'm definitely not paying full price, especially since the full price has been going up and up. It's $90, but I'm a fan of this material. The color blocking, I prefer better than all those. Like, those are all single colors and stuff. But yeah, I definitely prefer this. But yeah, not paying regular price, but yeah, it's pretty dope. Jordan section. I did go to Jumpman LA this weekend. Like, they just look so mediocre. All these Jordan sections look so mediocre. After Jumpman LA, it's just kind of like that, man. These are pretty dope though. Price is okay. I bought mine for hella cheap. Like my Luca ones. But yeah, that's not too bad. Not too bad. We're $45 off. Zoom Freak 4s, I guess it's on its final leg, down to $70. LeBron's. I've never seen this colorway, have I? This is one of the next gen ones, $160 for these. That's a pretty good price, man. Another NXT one right there, $160 for those 2 bills for these. No, which one would you guys rather get? They look very, very similar, just different materials. This one also has like double lining right here near the laces, but very similar look. I don't know. What would you guys do? $160, 2 bills. For me, I think it definitely depends on the colorway. This is the kid section here. I can't believe they still got these. I've seen these at resale shops, grade school. They're charging like $220, $230 for them. I'm like, dude, really? They still got them. They still got them for retail here, man. All right, let's go. Let's go. I was hoping they'd get like some restocks and stuff, but no, not really. Not really. I got here right a few minutes after they opened, but all right, on to the next spot. All right, just got a couple stores left. Chic, Foot Locker. I forgot to stop by the locker room right there, locker room by Liz, but they've been having no good deals anyways. All right, let's go. They always have random releases here. They got these dunks. Pittsburgh Steelers dunks? Black and yellow? Okay. They're here. They're here. $125 for these bad boys. Dude got the Jordan display right here. Oh, yes, I don't see anything new. They've kind of had the same stuff last couple of weeks. Last 2-3 weeks, maybe. Of course, they did get the reimagines as well as the UNC 5s, but obviously those sold out. Do got the 2s right here. Got prices on the bottom. $150. Are these a little bit cheaper because it's a low? Yeah, I didn't know that. That's not bad. 11 low IEs. I was like, are these the Shadows? The Shadow 2.0s? No, there's some. What are these? The Zoom, the Air Zooms. $150 for these. Another colorway right here. These are comfy as hell too. 6s, 7s, more 7s. Damn, they got 3 different 7s here. The utilities that nobody's been buying. I know these are going to be on sale soon. And 3s, and then the 2s. Still got Chicago 2s. That's really surprising. And then the 14s as well, of course. Okay. Do got PSG gear, which is fire, dude. Got shorts as well. Got hoodies and shorts. I don't think I've seen these anywhere else, have I? That's fire. Got t-shirts. Also got a gray sweatshirt as well. Or a gray hoodie. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, I did see this sign. It says 20% off reduced prices or already reduced prices. So apparently this is off of sneakers, which is pretty dope. And then off of apparel, apparently all their reduced stuff, 40% off. 40% off. So these jerseys right here, $200 down to $150, and then 40% off on top of that. These are just the unmarked jerseys though. But are the pants on sale too? Yeah, so the Charlotte Hornets pants right here, $80 down to $30. Then you get another 40% off on top of that. Holy cow. And I think the clearance stuff, I think they had it over here. Yeah, they do, yep. So $75 for these, $100 down to $75. Then you get another 40% off on top, which is fire. So $45 for these, that brings it under $30. $70 for these. Normally like is it normally $100 or something? I don't know, but yeah, you get another 30 or 40% off, I think. I saw this stuff right here. I was like, don't tell me the Tech Fleece is on sale. Nah, the Tech Fleece not on sale. Do you got the regular sweats right here? Go for $70. And some of these long sleeves down to $35. This place doesn't have as many things on sale. Just so much traffic. Everything does sell super quick compared to most of the other Chics. So yeah, not seeing anything else on sale. Selection is pretty fire here, dude. 4 different LeBrons right here. The Travis Scott looking one right here with the backwards swish. Of course, Dennis Rodman said, hey, I did that before any of you schmucks, right? That's what he said. And then remember all the sneakers that are on sale? Another 20% off on top. So 110, that's 20% off on top of that. That's not bad. And then these as well. So these are close to $100. So that's not bad for that one. And these are under $100 for these. And then these on sale for $140 as well. So 20% off all that. Then they do got these. I don't think I've ever seen these here. Oh, got the UNLV Larry Johnson jerseys. These are, I think these are the authentic ones. So yeah, authentics have $3 for these. Got, I think this is not the authentic, but I don't know why I can't think of the word. These are the swingman version right here. Got Bird. Go for $130. And then the jackets. Big fan of the jackets. Mitchell & Ness jackets, $120 for these bad boys. But if it's not Lakers, I'm not getting it. Oh, the Lasorda one's on sale. These are on sale, so $100. So $100, that's $60. That's not bad at all. These are fire for $60. And these, you know, it's an old school one, so they'll never go out of style. You don't have to worry about him getting traded or nothing. You really can't go wrong with that. And that's Mitchell & Ness. That is fire. I think this is the best thing we've seen on sale. I think this one right here. That's fire. They got sizes too. Medium, large, XL, double XL. They got all kinds of sizes. I'm going to push this one up. I'll push this vlog up so you guys can get some of these steals. All right, do got Foot Locker. Last spot I'm going to stop by it. $100 table here. Got Kyrie's. Got LeBron's. Okay. The Lowe's right here. Interesting because a bunch of stuff here way under $100. Like this is under $100. It's kind of weird. They have a $100 table, and then they got stuff for way cheaper right here on their shelves. Do got the LeBron's here. I'm a fan of this one. Haven't seen these at too many spots. This is the suede one right here. It is heavier. I just compared this with this one, and it is heavier, but I don't know if you're gonna notice on feet. But yeah, this is way more luxurious looking than some of the other ones. $2 though, or $210, dang. Do got these on sale. Shagnosis. I feel so dumb for not getting the original one. And this is the Dame collab. Should be an Adidas sign, so yeah, there's Adidas, Reebok sign. And these have gone down too, man. I like these, but I just got too much stuff right now. Well, this is a size 11. Okay, too big for me. It is crazy to see Mellows on sale because these were, the first ones were super hard to get now. You know, they're all GRs. Yeah. Remember, you can use the survey coupon. If you guys have survey coupons, make sure you guys use it on this type of stuff. RXS is on sale. I do like these. These are comfy as hell. I haven't worn mine in a while now, think about it. Marathon version right here. Okay. And then do got the Max, the T-Max. Did I call it the Max? The T-Max on sale. People were like, how are you not buying these? They're hella cheap, but man, I just got too much stuff. If it was one of the better material ones, I would definitely get it. Then 550s on sale. Can you imagine 550s on sale now? Back in the day, these were all at resale and stuff. Crazy. All right, I'm done. Let's go on to the next, probably the next mall. Yeah. All right, I did get to this mall within 20 minutes of it opening, but didn't really find anything crazy. You know, like that's how you come up on restocks, by going to random places. Unless you got inside info. I don't really have any inside info like that, so didn't really work out. But it is what it is. I did try, and I needed a video anyways. The T-Max, those on sale for $40, and they got other sales that are decent if that's stuff that you've been looking for, but nothing worth buying for myself. I am trying to cut down. Hasn't been easy. I'm trying to cut down. We'll see what happens. I swear I say that every freaking year. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, man, we're doing it. We're doing it every day. Video every day. That's my goal. Yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.